Nothing's teaser campaign for the Phone 2a is still going around on the latest round of hype gives us an AR unboxing of the device. Nothing marketing team had placed Phone 2a posters around London and a specific one near Old Street has the device new camera and a fancy AR renderation of the device in the box. The first official Phone 2a look from Nothing, even though we have already seen leaked renders that confirm the phone design. The centralized dual camera are here to stay, and you can see a trio of glyph lights on the back in action. It seems Phone 2a will miss the wireless charging coil as we don't see any round charging coil. Phone 2a is expected to launch with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen paired with MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset with 8 12GB RAM versions with a pair of 50 megapixel camera. Previous rumors indicate that the price will be around 349 euros or it will be 25,000 rupees. It will be launching on the March 5th.